Here's a few quick tips to help keep your pipes from freezing during this bitter cold snap that we're about ready to have. If your kitchen sink is on an outside wall like this, barely turn on your kitchen sink faucet on the warm setting to where it just trickles like that. Yes, you're gonna waste some water, but it's gonna keep your pipes from freezing. You wanna open the cabinets up underneath the kitchen sink. Right on the back side of that wall is frigid cold temperatures, so we want these cabinets to warm up to the nice warm house air that is in the house. Any faucet on an outside wall, we want to do that too. If that's bathroom faucets, if that's bathtubs, if that's showers, anything along those lines, we want to run that at a trickle. Another great option is if you have a jetted tub or a jacuzzi tub in your master bathroom. A lot of times those jetted tubs and jacuzzi tubs will have lift-off panels that are on the front edge of the tub. You want to go ahead and lift those panels off and let air get in around that tub, because we see a lot of jetted tub lines that freeze and break as well. If you've got bathrooms over your garage or any other plumbing over your garage, you want to make sure that you keep your garage door closed as much as possible, and then find a way to get heat into the garage. There's two ways to do that. One is you could put a space heater in your garage, but another is you can open the door to your garage slightly and let the heat from the house migrate into the garage. Again, this is going to chill your house off just a little bit, but it's going to help keep your garage above freezing so that all of those pipes up in the ceiling of your garage don't freeze and then cause thousands and thousands of dollars in damage. Another area where we see a lot of frozen water lines is going to be in split entry homes. Homes where you come up some stairs off of the driveway to go into the front door, and then once you're in the front door, you have an opportunity to go up or downstairs again inside the home. A lot of times in those homes, your main incoming water service comes in that lower front room of the home, and oftentimes that room is finished. The water line is coming in behind sheetrock. You want to make for sure you keep that room as warm as possible, because your main incoming water service is coming in behind that sheetrock. Your outer wall of your home is only 3.5 or 4 inches wide, and so we've got 0 degrees on one side of that wall, and we've got 70 degrees on the other side of that wall if we're lucky. And so where that line comes up in the middle can get below freezing, and then your whole incoming water line freezes. We want to make sure to put a space heater in that lower front room of a split entry home to help make sure that that main incoming water service stays above freezing. Doing all of those tips and tricks should help reduce the chances that you have to experience a frozen water line in the next few days.